Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing to one clear focal element and immediately blocking its basic shapes. This orients the whole sketch. Use a 2H or HB pencil and make light, loose strokes so you can adjust easily. Measure proportions quickly with head counts or simple landmark distances and draw a center line to locate symmetry. Once done, check relationships, angles, and overlaps, and correct them before adding detail, because strong construction saves time and prevents later distortions. You now develop those shapes into believable forms by turning flats into boxes, cylinders, and spheres. Indicate major planes so lighting reads correctly. Decide the light source and lay in 3 clear value zones: highlight, midtone, and core shadow, so contrast guides the eye. Use hatching and cross-hatching with varied pencil pressure to build texture and depth. Keep strokes aligned with form. Once done, step back often to judge overall balance and adjust values where the silhouette reads weak. You finish by cleaning and refining. Gently erase distracting construction lines while keeping faint guides that help with alignment. Move to final lines using ink or a darker pencil, deliberately varying line weight to emphasize edges, overlaps, and focal points. Tighten details and enhance contrast where the sketch needs clarity. If something looks off, fix proportions by resizing or shifting elements slightly, and use a blending stump very sparingly for smooth shadows. Overblending flattens the sketch, so be cautious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.